Hi everyone, I'm Nirmal Jose. Today I would like to share how to do data mining in RapidMiner. In this video I am using RapidMiner 7.2. For doing data mining we need a data set, and we have to get the data set. Two ways we can get the data set. One is like adding data from we can get from my computer or database in any other cloud. If we choose database, they will ask from where it can be taken, or if it is in our computer we can go for my computer option, and after that we can choose which data set we have to use. So I am going to use the data set in my desktop, which is called auto.txt. Two types of files can be used in this. CSV file means comma separated files. It will be like a text file. This is the comma separated file. So we can use this file. Now I am going to use this file. I am going to add data in my computer, and it is for me it is in a desktop. So I will go, and its name is auto.txt, and for that, this is my data text. This is a CSV file. See here, the selected file will be imported as CSV file. It will be shown here, and we can go to next, and then it will show the things like what is the content inside that, and this will be having the contents row by row, and this will show the header row. Means that the first row will be taken as the header if we put tick mark on this. If we uncheck this tick mark, and it won't be considered as the heading, and this will be taken as attribute 1, attribute 2, attribute 3, like that. So the next starting row will be 1. Here it will be 1, and the column separated means it is comma, means the CSV file is also called as comma separated file, and it will be having the separator as comma. And these are the things, and we can go for next. And here is an option like replace errors with missing values. For example, here are the missing values. For in this attribute 2, we are having the missing values like question mark we are showing. So we are putting tick mark for making that replace the missing values. If we check here, that this will show the info for more further information, and we can go for next. And where we have to store this data set, means they will ask whether you have to store. So I will save this data set in my this data set, this one. I have already done this saving, so this is for that one auto set. Then we can click finish. They're asking already because it's already there, so I'm just giving yes, and it's have been taken. Now we can see this table like this, and this is the data set what we have imported into this RapidMiner. So we can see the statistics like what all things are there in this data, like missing, how many missing things are there in this attribute. There is no missing files, means no missing values. If you want to go down, means it will show there are 2 missing values in attribute 22, and in 23 also, like that. So we can see the missing values and the statistics, that is minimum, the least count, and the most, like that it will be given minimum and maximum. And we can go for the mining part. We can do data mining with this set of data. Next we will go for design. In design, we can, here there is an option like searching and getting the, like, first we have to take the data repository here. So we can just drag and drop it here. Then we got the data set inside this. After that we have to do missing values. We found the missing values here, so we are going to put missing values. We can search it here, missing values, replace missing values. This can be drag and drop, like that. For time saving purpose, I would do the drag and drop. For I'm skipping the step. This is what we need actually. Replace missing values. Actually, in replace missing values, we are having the attributes like filter type, means we can filter any, only if we can filter all the attributes, or single attribute, or subset, like that example, like that. And if we want to invert selection also we can do, or include special attributes also, that is also possible. And we will normally we will go for an average, because if it is an integer means if we take the average and fill the missing value means there won't be any change in the data and the chart or the graph. Else there will be variation if we do with minimum or maximum according to zero value or value what we can provide as our custom value. So I am leaving it as average. And next thing, discretization. Discrete by binning. Binning is a process like we can give range things, like we can range, if it is an age means we can range it up to 5 to 10, 10, 11 to 15, like that. If we arrange the bin means then it will be sorted like that. And next is sample data. How many data set means attributes number under an attribute, how many data we need to use as a sample. Then I have given it as 100, we can change it on our wish. And we next is normalization. Normalize for in normalizing part we are having it's like any attribute we can normalize. For this I can give normalizing attribute, I am going to give attribute 10. And next is correlation matrix. Correlation matrix is normalized weight or square correlation, both options are there. We will go with a normalized weight, means what we have given here and it will be taken to here. Actually this is the connection what you have to do, means this output will be given to the replace missing value, and from here is example, this will be given to this example. Then to this discrete, from there we will give the example to the sample, and from there the example will be given to the normalized, and after that we will give this example to the correlation matrix. If we press play button here, it will show the output. This is the output. We can show it is pairwise, we can see the table. Else here is another option called charts. This will show the pie chart, or we can show any chart. There are options to give which kind of chart we need to see. If we choose 3D pie chart means they will show the 3D pie chart, and if you want the bar diagram or bubble one, this is actually useful for analytics, bubble diagram, and this will be also very easy to analyze. And there is also option like histogram, it will be given like a histogram, like that. Any or pie chart. Okay, these are the examples. We can use any of this from this one. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.